Simple and to read nonfiction books to take action in general. So here's my recommendation of the financial books I personally read. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book was my first financial book before 2020 and also when I was in high school too. When I first read it without research, I was starting to enjoy the book a lot compared to my finance classes from high school. It's funny if I look back. 2. The Rich Man in Babylon. This one is my second favorite compared to Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I enjoy reading this book because similar to Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I didn't do any research and learn important information from this book and other books in this list. 3. Happy Money. Now this book I first never heard of until I heard the author who made this book. This book, from what I understand, teaches me on how to be happy with money. As there are people with a large amount of money are highly miserable in general. 4. The Millionaire Next Door. This one I heard on someone else's YouTube channel that was recommended on their own YouTube video, and I enjoyed it to understand the idea or reality to become a millionaire or multi-millionaire as my personal goal. And yes, there are people who are content creators who make a lifestyle that doesn't fit for most people. It's better to understand yourself on what you want as an individual, understand reality and see if it works in a proper way. You understand. 5. Money. Master the Game. So I'm glad that I read as a very long and very good detailed book. It has a lot of pages to learn. It's better to read and take a break from this one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and find this video valuable and educational. Have a good day.